Johnny, this is Peter Chan. Today I'd like to show you a very easy, simple, healthy, tasty Chinese food. It's the stir-fried green pepper with beef. The material for this dish is very simple and easy. From left hand side on is beef, green pepper, oyster sauce, soybean sauce, white pepper. In the middle is 1 cup of rice, ginger, green onion, and the end is salt. Very simple and straightforward. Majority of the material for this dish, I'm sure you will all have it at home though. But in case you're missing one item like the oyster sauce, that's okay, you don't have to do it if you don't have it. But I will strongly recommend you to buy 1 bottle of oyster sauce, because many Chinese dishes, they will use a little bit of oyster sauce. Because this is a very simple, easy, fast dish, so I'm start doing my rice. I use 1 cup of rice. That is good for 1 person. If you have more people, then you just add more cup of rice depending on how many people. We put the 1 cup of rice into the rice cooker pot and wash them well, and then put water on it, and then put the rice cooker back into the rice cooking machine and cover it. Turn on the rice cooker, and then within 15 minutes the rice will be ready for dinner. Very easy and simple. If you enjoy Chinese food and a rice lover, I suggest you to buy a small rice cooker. It's very easy, simple to cook rice, stress-free, right? But of course, if you know how to make or steam rice at home, if you already have a cooking pot, then you don't have to buy it, right? But in case you really enjoy it and love rice, then go to buy a small one. A small one can cook up to 3 to 4 persons rice, right? And nowadays in many cooking store, you can find rice cooker, and many of them are on a special too, less than $20. Then of course you want to go to a better quality that can last longer, then the small one may be about $50 or less than $100, really up to you. But of course, as I say, if you don't need it, then don't buy it though. First of all, we rinse the beef a little bit and then start cutting them into small pieces. I bought this beef they already cut, see here, into a slice. So you just cut another, cut in the middle, make it smaller, thinner. I mean, very simple and easy. Now, you see, I put the oyster sauce, soybean sauce, white pepper, a little bit salt, and mix them into a small bowl. And then start putting the beef inside to marinate them. After I wash the spring onion, I start cutting them into small, thinner pieces. Well, I am a spring onion lover, so every dish I use a lot of them. But if you did not like the spring onion too much, then just use a little bit, that's okay. It's all up to you. Here's some ginger. I already cut them into a small, thinner pieces. I love ginger, so I use a lot of them. But for some people, they may not like it, so it's really up to you. If you want less, that's okay. But if you're like a ginger lover, then use more. After I wash the green pepper, I start cutting into pieces like this. Tonight I just do it for myself, 1 person, so I only use half of the green pepper because it's a very huge one though. But if you like green pepper, go ahead, use the whole one. It's healthy anyway. First of all, we put the cooking oil into the hot pot and wait until they become red hot. Then we start putting the ingredient in it. Well, for all Chinese stir-fry dishes, you have to use a lot of oil though. I know it's not healthy, but this is how they used to do it though. Okay, now we put the ginger and the green onion into the pan and keep frying them. After you see the ginger become yellow, then you can put the beef into the pot and start stir fry them. Well, we just keep stir fry the beef. Look how fast. Beef is very easy, and then they are very fast to cook. Wow, this smells so good. Now we put the green pepper and start fry them together. Smells great, man. See, we just keep stir fry them. Smells so good. Well, in this moment, since the beef already is cooked, if you like, you can pick up a small piece. Make sure it's cold and taste a little bit. And if you think it's not strong enough taste, then at this moment you can add a little bit salt or a little bit soybean sauce. But if you think it's okay, then just leave it as it is. For me, I try not to use too much artificial ingredients. I rather taste the original taste of the beef and the green pepper, ginger and green onion. Oh boy, beautiful. The rice is already ready, so I put it on the plate, and then the green pepper and the beef is already done. Just put it on top of the rice. Oh my god, it smells so good and so tasty. And so easy, simple to make. Hey look, so easy, simple, fast, tasty and healthy. Here is the Chinese stir-fry green pepper with beef. Dun, 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 dun. Now is the time to taste the food. Wow. So yummy. Oh my god. You have to learn how to cook this dish though. Healthy, easy, fast and simple. Thank you for watching my cooking show. Easy Cooking with Peter. Hope to see you again soon. And if you like my show, please subscribe my show and give a like. Also let your friends, family to know about my show and come and watch it. Majority of the dishes I do in this show is simple, easy, fast, and the price is not expensive. It will be excellent for everybody.